Black colors 13, 13, 26. Red 13, 13, 26. Right? So red color equals to heart diamond. Black color equals to club spade. Red equals to 26. Black equals to 26. Now what? King. 3 cards of spade removed. So black remaining how much? How many? 23. Right? 3 removed. So 26 minus 3, 23. Total remaining is what? 26 plus 23, 49. So probability is what? Required upon total. That is 23 upon 49. So that's the answer. When 2 dice are thrown, the probability of getting a number always greater than 4 on the second dice is. So what is the die? This is the die which we play, which we use for playing that Ludo, snakes and ladders, everything. So what is the peculiarity of this? The opposite faces always total up to 7. This is a peculiarity. Okay. When you throw a die, what is the possible outcome? See here, any one of the 6 faces can come. So possible outcome is 6, right? When you throw 2 such dice at the same time, what is the possible outcome? 6 here and 6 here, both can be 6, means any face can come on any of the dice. So the answer is always 6 square. If you throw 3 dice, then what is the possible outcome? 6, 6, 6, 6 cube. If you throw 4 dice, it's like that. Okay. So when 2 dice are thrown, number of outcomes equals to 6 square. See, I have shown it over here for 2 dice. This is dice number 1, this is dice number 2. Okay. So what all can come? 1, 1, 2, 2, 1, 2. You go on up to 6 over here. Similarly, up to 6 over here. Okay. So what we want? Number always greater than 4. So what are the total outcomes? Total outcomes are 36. These are the 36 ones. 6 here, 6 here, 36. And what we want? Greater than 4. Means it should be 5. To watch the videos further, kindly download YuvaGuru app from Play Store and follow the paid version in 10+2 section. You can also WhatsApp on the number 9960560404 to get the videos permanently on your PC and on your mobile. What you get in these videos? IMO, IO, IGKO, ISCO, NSO, NCO, Homi Bhabha plus many other exams questions with explanations. So keep studying, keep watching.